Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to create custom permissions in BoldSign. Custom permissions refer to the ability to define and assign access rights to team members within a system. It allows the account admin to regulate access to another team's documents and templates to team admins and members. This feature enables precise control over document and template access, including viewing, editing, and deleting. Custom permissions are essential for maintaining a secure and organized collaborative environment. By customizing permissions, the account admin can control who can access what documents and templates. This ensures confidentiality, integrity, and proper workflow management. Let's assume a project manager is tasked with a new, high-priority project. To complete that project, he has already created a team of 8 members with various skills. He needs to share information about the project with these 8 members and provide permission to access some documents related to the project from the resource team. To do this, he is required to create a custom permission for the team. Let me show you how to create custom permissions. I first log into my BoldSign account and click the Users and Teams button. I then select the Custom Permissions option. On the Overview page, to add a new custom permission, I click the New Custom Permission button, and a pop-up dialog box appears. I then click the Select Users drop-down. A list of users is displayed. You can select the required user. Multiple users can also be selected. In this case, I select the All option since custom permission is needed for all of them. On the entity type, I select the team. I then move to the Select Team option. Here, I select the team that holds the documents, which is the resource team. Likewise, multiple teams can also be selected. Next, I move to the Resource and Permission section. Under the Document option, I select View Metadata and View Documents. After that, under the Template option, I only click the View option since the members will not be allowed to make any changes to the documents. As a final step, I click the Allow option to access the permissions selected above and click Save. Custom permissions will be saved. When you have an extensive list of custom permissions created, you can find the one you need by simply applying the Filter option. Custom permissions can also be edited and deleted. Hover over the permission. The Edit and Delete symbols will appear for further action. When you no longer want the members to access the resource team's documents, select the Delete button and click the Yes, Delete button to delete the permission permanently. Likewise, they can also be denied access to the resource team's document by simply clicking the Edit button. On the editing page, click the Deny button and then click Save. The members will not be able to access the team's documents. This is all about creating custom permissions. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.